Hello dear friends, clients of Arcostec and subscribers of our channel. My name is Irina, I work at Arcostec and we are located in the city of Cáceres, Alicante province. Today we're going to talk about fast charging stations for electric vehicles. Lately you've probably noticed that electric vehicles are appearing more and more on our streets. By 2050, according to EU regulations, the number of diesel cars will be significantly reduced on the streets of European cities. That's why we're seeing electric vehicles more and more often. When buying an electric vehicle, the question arises, how do you charge it? Even though more and more charging stations are popping up on the streets, we want to talk about what you can order. A fast charging station and install it at home. To do this, you'll need to install an additional 3-phase meter. These fast charging stations allow you to charge your car in just a couple of hours. The power of this fast charging station is 20 kilowatts. It should be noted that at night the cost of a kilowatt when using this fast charging station from some suppliers is about 3 to 4 cents per kilowatt. So it's definitely much cheaper and faster than just charging from a regular home outlet. At Arcostec, we can help you. The paperwork and with applying for subsidies and installing this fast charging station for your electric vehicles. I'd also like to point out that we already have experience installing these fast charging stations for electric vehicles in the underground parking lots of high-rise buildings, particularly Alicante. So if you're interested in this topic, we would love to hear your comments. You can reach out using the contact information you'll see in our video. Subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, hit the bell icon, and you'll always be updated on the latest news.